Hello, my name is Jesus Medina. I'm the creator of KO Method, which is a holistic approach to fitness and self-defense training. I'm also the owner of Seabreeze Fitness, which is located in Costa Mesa, California, which is where we're now recording this. Today I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a few little tricks I have when it comes to making a salad or also making a drink. So, the first one for the salad, I don't have much time, so I went ahead and bought it already made, which is a sweet kale vegetable salad. It basically contains 7 superfoods. Right, it has broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, kale, chicory, dried cranberries, roasted pumpkin seeds, and poppy seed dressing. Alright, so basically all I do literally is just open it up. Be careful when you open it up because it comes with 2 other packages. Alright, the dressing and the cranberry and the seeds. So basically simple stuff. You know, you just serve yourself as much as you want. Alright, that's good for now. Alright, and then I like to add the dressing first. Actually, no. First, the seeds and the cranberries. Trust me, you might think like, some of you might not like the way that sounds, but trust me, it is delicious. Anyhow, I poured some to my liking on there. Alright, and then finally, it comes with either a poppy seed sauce, but I also like to use the orange ginger sauce. So either way, today I'm going to go with the one that came with the poppy seed sauce. It's a little sweet, but you know, the cranberries also makes it sweet, and it's actually good. It makes it better. So I like to put just a little bit, not much, just to give it a little flavor. Alright, and then I like to add chia seeds. Alright. Chia seeds has a lot of protein in them, pretty decent amount of carbs, stuff like that. So it's a superfood for Aztecs, right? Aztecs used to use this a lot in time of war. They used to fuel themselves with just a little, little handful. Anyhow, just all you need is a little bit on top. It gives it texture and it's really good for you actually. So I add that, and then the last thing I like to add is quinoa. Alright, quinoa, the same thing. High on protein, high on carbohydrates, and other potassium, all kinds of stuff. Anyhow, I like to add a little bit of that, a little less than what I do with the other seeds. And that's it. Alright. It's ready to serve. Alright, so alright, and now I'm going to show you what I like to do with my drinks. Alright, so I like to buy the Naked Juice, the Berry Blast. Alright, it's a pretty good juice. I either pour some out into another container. This one, as you can see, it's about 1/3 of the way full. So now that I have some room in there, I like to either add cranberry with pomegranate juice. Today I'm going to go ahead and use grapefruit, which is high on carbohydrates, believe it or not. And you shouldn't stay away from carbohydrates. You need it for endurance. All right. So anyhow, simple method. You just pour it in there. Try not to make a mess. Alright, once you think you have the perfect amount of mixture according to the way you like it, I don't like it too tangy, I don't like it too sweet, too rich, so right in the middle, I like the balance. And you just shake it off. And mind you, on this you can also add the chia seeds, believe it or not. Chia seeds kind of get a little soggy, a little gummy if you may. And once it's in there, it's nice and soft, and you really don't feel it. It's it's really good for you. You can actually add it to all your milkshakes and stuff like that. So that's a good drink. It's way better than drinking soda. I'll tell you that much. Alright, so once again, my name is Jesus Medina. I'm the creator of KO Method, which is a holistic approach to fitness and self-defense training. I'm also the owner of Seabreeze Fitness, which is located in Costa Mesa, California, which is where I'm recording this. And once again, you're only limited to your creativity. And don't forget, I know this has nothing to do with what I just showed you, but I still like to say it, is that pain is temporary, pride is eternal. So fulfillment lasts forever. So it's worth the fight. Whatever you fight, whatever effort you put into, whatever time, whatever investments you put into it, it's going to be worth it. It's going to pay off.